Hi guys, welcome to Tech Talks. Would you like to learn hacking but don't know which OS to use? Today we are discussing about top 3 OS for hacking. So let's get started. The OS shown in this video is free and can be downloaded from their own website. The links of this website will be added in the description down below. Number 3. Backbox Linux. Backbox Linux is a penetration testing and security assessment oriented Linux distribution providing a network and system analysis toolkit. It includes some of the most commonly known or used security and analysis tools aiming for a wide spread of goals ranging from web application analysis to network analysis, stress test, sniffing, vulnerability assessment, computer forensic analysis, automotive, and exploitation. It has been built on Ubuntu core system, yet fully customized, designed to be one of the best penetration testing and security distribution and more. It can be downloaded from www.backbox.org. Its file size is around 2.7 GB. This OS has a XFCE desktop which is fast and lightweight, but I am not a fan of this because its UI looks like outdated and minimum requirement is shown in the screen. Since this is lightweight, you can run it in lower end PCs. Installation is pretty basic, so it is easy for a beginner to install this OS. It has a good community. If you have any doubt or run into any issue, you can ask the community how to solve this. Also, it has most of the commonly used hacking software comes pre-installed. If you love an OS which is easy to install, has lower size, pre-installed software and lightweight, you should use this OS. Number 2. Pairtoys. Pairtoys is a flagship product of Parrot Security, which is a Linux distribution based on Debian and designed with security and privacy in mind. It includes a full portable laboratory for all kinds of cybersecurity operation, from penetration testing to digital forensics and reverse engineering. But it also includes everything needed to develop your own software or keep your data secure. It can be downloaded from www.parrotsec.org. It has both home edition, which do not have any hacking software come pre-installed, sizing around 2 GB, and security edition, which comes with hacking softwares. Its size is around 4 GB. It comes in both AT and KDE desktops, but KDE version has some issue. Softwares only open in terminal. They say it is a Debian bug, so that leaves us with AT desktop. Installation is pretty simple and basic, easy to understand for a beginner. It is a lightweight distro and minimum requirement is shown in the screen. It also has a good community. If you have any doubt or run into any issue, you can ask the community how to solve this. Out of the box, it looks good, but you can customize and install themes. All the tools are arranged. This makes easy to find. Also, new versions of ethical hacking courses like CH11 teaches in Pairtoys. It is a great distro for both beginners and experienced users. Number 1. Kali Linux. There is no introduction needed for this OS. Kali Linux is a Debian-derived Linux distribution designed for digital forensic and penetration testing. It is maintained and funded by Offensive Security. It is a very common OS used by professional pen testers. It can be downloaded from www.kali.org and its size is around 4.1 GB. It also has a live boot image. Installation sometimes hard for beginners. At the time of installation, you can choose your desktop environment. Newer versions comes with XFCE as default desktop, but there is an option to select KDE or GNOME as default. You can select large if you want additional tools. Older versions of Kali comes with GNOME as default. Installation takes more time if you are connected to network. Else, it will easily install, and after that you can set up your network and change the desktop. I recommend this as it saves more time. Kali has around 600 pre-installed penetration testing tools. It is also a lightweight distro and minimum requirements is shown in the screen. All the tools are arranged. It is a good looking OS which is perfect for beginners and professionals. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you want a tutorial about how to install this OS, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe if you haven't already and click the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. Also like the video if you find it useful. This is Tech Talks signing out.